In today's world, the people who adapt with time are the ones who succeed. Traditional jobs, limited income, uncertainty. But in the middle of all this, a new opportunity has arrived. A community, a movement, a future. Its name is Victory with Ash. Today, I'll tell you why so many people are joining this journey. In today's economy, surviving with only one income source is becoming harder every day. People now want freedom, extra income, skill development, online opportunities, better lifestyle. But the biggest problem is many people don't know where to start. And that's where Victory with Ash comes in. Victory with Ash is more than just a name. It is a mindset. It is a community where people learn digital skills, online growth, personal branding, smart earning ideas, mindset development, leadership. This is not just motivation. It is action, not just talking. It is system, not just dreams. It is execution. Many places only give big promises, but Victory with Ash focuses on results. Even beginners can start here. If you have no skills, you can still begin. If you lack confidence, you can build it here. If you have no extra income, you can explore opportunities here, because growth happens step by step.